in giving the award, may we call William and Ann Del Oro of Jordan's Enterprise.
The second Peñafrancia Short Film Festival, third place, Best Picture category goes to Ata.
Congratulations, Ata.
This year's second Best Picture will receive a gift certificate from DIGS, trophy and a cash prize of 75,000 pesos. May we call on Mr. Jaime Fabregas to announce the Best Picture category in just a short while. Thank you po. Ika na po.
Diretsyon na. Okay. The second Peñafrancia Short Film Festival, second place, Best Picture category, goes to Harayo Halatiman.
Congratulations to Harayo Halatiman.
Sorry, no one is
Congratulations to our third and second placers for the Best Picture category. Once again, we would like to acknowledge our Bicolano filmmakers and major sponsors for their positive response to our invitation. And to give the word of thanks, may we call on the project director of the second Peñafrancia Short Film Festival and the executive director of the Cáceres Commission on Communications, Father Luisito Okshan. Center mic, Father.
Just marahay na banggit po sa Indoga Boss. Unlike the speech of the Archbishop, which is very short, I am giving the word of thanks, a very long word of thanks because of the many people who supported and are part of this wonderful event. Palakpakan pa po muna ang sabihan sa iyo. Will be shorter. The essence of all beautiful art are great. All great art is gratitude. So that is the essence of all great art. All the beautiful films that we have seen are expressions of gratitude to Ina and to our Lord Jesus Christ. It is in this spirit that I express my big thanks to our Ina and to our Lord Jesus for the many gifts that we have received. Palakpakan na po ang satuyang namin. Viva la Virgen! Ang satuyang kaluanan. I thank our dear Archbishop who is a lover of film. We were telling stories a while ago na gusto niya pong magsulat ng pelikula. Baka next year mag-entry po siya. Siya po ang actor, director, tapos siya. Producer. Siya pa ang mag-judge. So thank you, Archbishop. Sanalo po kami. Kasama po ang mga kaparian, ang mga tugang ko sa Batabadi. Palapakan naman po ang sa tuloy. I also thank our mayor, of course, si Farah, at sila mga kaibahan niya sa city government. Palakpakan naman po. Of course, our sponsors. Kung mayo po ang satuyang mga sponsors, mayo po kitang pang-premium. Kaya salamat po. I hope next year, if there will be another festival, you will double your donation. Sa mga sponsors. Palakpakan naman mga sponsors. I would like to thank the participants. Sabi nga ni kaya gabos ka mo winners, lalo-lalo na sa mata, ngunit sa tuyang mahal na ina. Panalo kayo sa puso ni ina. Palakpakan na po ang mga participants. I would like to thank the executive committee, si mga katuwang ko po na naglapigot para kainin. Can you stand, fellow execom? Yan, palakpakan na po ang katuwang maradagdagan ang pasensya kung igwa pa. And of course, kamo po gabos na mga nagbakal kang ticket. Gabos po na nagdigdi, gabos na mga nag-anduyog. Puan pa sa mga eskwelahan, mga school administrators, mga parish priests who invited us to have the film showing, the screening. Palakpakan na po ang mga schools, mga administrators, mga parish priests. And last but not the least, all of you, the devotees, the audience, supporters, those who came here, I hope you will still be here with us in the next Peña Francia Short Film Festival. Mabuhay po kamo kabos, as in Diyos marahay na manggi sa inyo na boss. Viva la Virgen!
Viva! Thank you very much, Father Louis. At this point, we would like to give certificate of appreciation to our jurors.
May I read the citation? Archdiocese of Cáceres and the City Government of Naga. This certificate of appreciation is hereby given to, in recognition of her exemplary talent as an artist and in grateful appreciation for sharing his time and expertise to recognize talent and craftsmanship in short films and for supporting the endeavor to promote the devotion to Our Lady of Peña Francia through short films. Given this 22nd day of September in the year of our Lord 2014 at the Universidad de Santa Isabel Auditorium, Naga City. Signed, Father Luisito Oxiano, Project Director, Honorable John Bonga, City Mayor, and Most Reverend Rolando Octavos J. Tria Terona, OCDDD, Archbishop of Cáceres.
Nalinawan ko po. Pasalamatan po mga jurors and we are doing it. Dapat mo pala sigdi. Sorry po, pakanay na ako next. Pantulo po ako, sunod ko mag-mail.
Saving the best for last. All right. At this point, may we please request Archbishop Rolly and Mayor John, please, to give the certificates as we give recognition to the 2nd Peña Francia Short Film Festival jurors who are present today.
We may be called Alvin Yapan.
Baby Ruth Villarama Gutierrez.
Dexter de la Peña.
Res Cortez.
Jaime Fabregas. May we ask Mr. Fabregas to give us a short message, please,
Yan
sir?
naman.
Yes, please.
Nagbibideo ako. Oo.
Magtuwa na ako na sila, nakakalabaw nini. Pero nabanggit po sa inyo, boss, I have just a little short story to say. Kasi bago po naglalakaw kami Pacific sa backstage, nagirumduman ko po that 55 years ago, as a 9-year-old student of Naga Parochial School, hindi ko mahihipig ako eh. I came out the very first time in my life on stage, and it was on this stage. I was 9 years old and we were doing an operetta called Inspector General. And the rest is history. Kapag bigapot ninda ako, kay saan niya sir, paano ka niya nagpuon ng maging artista? Niya ako, I did my first operetta when I was 9 years old in Naga City. And that's how it works. And dalidagan ko siya nga po kasi I remember having a talk with Marilu Diaz-Abaya, just a little bit more, just on film, a long time. Marilu Diaz-Abaya in the final stages of her life became an adopted daughter of Naga City. She stayed mainly at the Basilica, taking care of the Virgin of Ina. Anyway, she told me once that, Jimmy, they should never forget, sabi nila, that film should always be a story of hope. Now, no matter how dark things are, there should be a little sliver of light that comes in. Whether no matter how sad things may be, there's always a little sliver of joy that comes in. And no matter how depressed somebody can be, there's always a little sliver of hope. And sabi niya sa Kuya Ito, we were talking about this, sabi niya, film should always end with hope. Because sabi niya, that sliver of light, that is what will keep us going. And that is proof that there is a God. Maray na banggit po sa inyo.
Thank you very much, sir. You make us very hopeful. Okay, let us call our next juror. Chris?
Yes. Tito Hinova Valiente.
May we also ask for a message from Mr. Tito Valiente?
It's not really a message. I am given the dangerous task of explaining to you the process, how we went about the selection of the best films. The jurors went through the rubrics, the criteria in Manila, and they came up with a short listing. Then we met yesterday at the Avenue Hotel, no commercial there, and we sat around and we discussed. I am sure you would not want to hear what we talked about, and I'm sure you would not be happy how we dealt with the films. Now, we were very, very violent and very strong about our statements, but it was not out of being evil, but it's the goodness in our heart because we care about bigger films. Now, that's the whole point of that. We had to be very strict. Anyway, out of the 5 short films that were listed as the top 5, the 3 remained consistent on the top 3. Now, the number 2 and number 3 were moving around, bobbing in and out of the list, but the best film was consistently up there. But when we had the short list, we sat down again and we deliberated because one of the jurors said maybe the number 2 should be number 3. One juror said maybe number 3 should be number 2. And we talked about the difficulties of the film. We were conscious of one thing. You lack the trainings, and just like teachers in the classroom, we cannot require you to do something that we did not teach you about. No? So that's the whole point. No? So we're very conscious of that. And then we said, what is a good Peña Francia film? And at a certain point we said, maybe a good Peña Francia film does not necessarily mean you need the translation, you need the pluvial procession, or you need, the picture of the church. The challenge of the film director is to talk about the Peña Francia in an original and in a fresh way. Because if you need somebody to teach you about faith, you don't need a cinema. You need a catechism teacher, no? Then if you want to learn more about your culture, you don't need the film. You need a classroom, or you need a lecture. Film has a different language, no? That's why I would like to commend, may I ask my fellow jurors to stand, please, so that you could be subject to those. In other words, these people struggled to come up with a list. We did not relax and we were not laid back. We were deliberating, making vicious statements about each other, for example, just to come up with the best. The whole point is that if this film is going to teach people, then the best film or the 3 good films should be very good media for learning about being a Bicolano, being a devotee, being a believer in the Ina. And as the good Archbishop said, it's very difficult to strike the balance between religion and art. But if you're a good artist, you can do that. Now, in the end, we said, why are we expecting so much from the filmmakers? Maybe we need to come up with workshops. And all of them, again, if I may put them on the spot, promise to help. Because I think this festival will continue, and this festival doesn't end tonight. And for those who are in the 2nd or the 3rd, you're not going to be staying there. You have to move up, you have to be the best, you have to be the excellent filmmaker. There is no perfect cinema, as Jimmy Fabricas would always underscore. There's always a cinema addressing social realities. There's always cinema struggling to talk about the beauty and the ugliness of life all at the same time. Yun po lang. And thank you very much for staying with us.
Yes, sir. Araw pa na kayo ka-difícil magpili among the finalists. Before we proceed, igwa pong nakiulay na madagog naman po ang mensahe kansarupang juror. Apo doon ta po si Res Cortez.
Dati pa, nag-iili pa, nag-awarding na. Nag-awarding na. Adi na muna, tapos adi na muna ko pinayan ruta, nag-awarding na. Oh, sige po. Bibidyo ko yan.
Dahil ko alam ng mata.
Hindi na pa.
But thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk to you. At kaibahan ako sa itong first Peña Francia Short Film Festival. And hopefully, Father Louis, mga succeeding festival, kaibahan mo man ako. And I really want Bicol to be the center of filmmaking. Dahil alam ko man na the whole na artista na active and mga datihan ng actors na from Bicol. And pareho mo yan, yung mga animators na hali di sa Bicol, siya ang mga nag-register sa area kang animation. And I understand, Ateneo, mayroong course